So I've just arrived at Gwrych Castle in Abergele in beautiful North Wales, and I'm here for the medieval festival. Gwrych Castle is rather impressive, but it's not quite as old as it looks. I'll leave some more information in the description below. But I'm just going to take you on up there now. Another view of the castle along the length of its walls. So I'm just making my way up to the entrance. Oh boy. Looks like guys in trouble. So you guys are from the Abergele Rotary Club,
That's
right?
Correct, yep.
Excellent. Just for people that don't know, what is the Rotary Club?
David will answer that question.
All right, let's ask David, shall we?
Well, the Rotary Club started in America over 100 years ago.
Right.
And there's 1.5 million members worldwide.
Yes.
And what we do, our motto is service before self. So we're here really as a charity for local and international groups.
That's really good to know. Well, thank you for your service then.
Pleasure.
Cheers.
Nice.
Thank
And
you.
have a good day.
Cheers now.
And the main thing is, it's all a little bit of fun.
Yeah, it looks like it to me. Yeah, excellent. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
So you're Funky Octopus.
I am, yeah. I'm Kim from Funky Octopus. I am a balloon twister. I also do birthday parties, organise events, perform magic, a bit of everything really.
All right. Oh well. So if you're looking for any entertainment like that in the Abergele or North Wales area,
Anywhere in North Wales is great.
please call.
Call me on 07947 603 834, and you can find me on Facebook at Funky Octopus, and I've also got an email, funkyoctopusparties@gmail.com.
That's great, and I'll put some details below in the description.
Brilliant, thank you very much.
You're welcome. So the castle only dates back about 200 years, and we'll be finding a bit more information out and posting it in the description for you.
Can I get through the crap?
Okay, so this is your stall, sir, and what tell us about yourself, a little bit about yourself.
Well, I'm disabled, I've got a bad back, and I find it hard to keep still because I'm in so much pain all the time, and I found it a pain management therapy, really, to just wander down the shed and do a little bit of leather every now and then, and nothing too much. And I wander back and forth. And someone said try some glass making. So now I'm starting to make glass, stained glass, and I thoroughly enjoy it. But none of it would be anything without the support of my family. It's,
No, that's the big deal, isn't it?
Yeah.
It sounds like you're the sort of man that could turn his hand to just about anything and make a success of it.
I wish if I had the ability, then the physical ability, then
Yes.
I think I could.
Well, there's certainly a lot of ability expressed in your wares here. Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much.
All right, so the details are in the description. So look, it's Mr. Tim
Gilliam,
Gilliam,
and it's
Tim
called
Gilliam.
Crafted Leather.
Crafted Leather. All right, thank
Yeah.
you, Tim. Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hiya there, you okay? Yes, are you okay? Very good, thank you very much.
This is Food Station Wales,
Thank you.
and they got some rather nice wares. For those of you with a sweet tooth, baklava, naughty but nice.
Exactly. You want some healthy product, some unusual product.
I've never seen the wild shallots before.
No, with tomato and garlic, 3 of them, and lovely combination. Very nice with cheese, with salad, with sandwiches. Very good for you.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
And your name is, sir?
I'm Sam from Food Station Wales. We are from Carnarvon, and we've been selling Mediterranean food for 17 years.
And wonderful food it is, sir.
Thank you very much indeed. You're welcome to have a sample or try it.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you later. I will look it up.
Hiya. So this fine lady, tell us a bit about yourself, Lyndsey.
Okay, I live in Rill, local girl.
Yay!
Yay, exactly, me and Beth. Love supporting great charity events, love coming up here for the various events that we do as well. And fantastic surroundings. Love doing body shop and great products.
Super, excellent. And do you make products yourself, or you just sell them through? Yeah.
I just sell them in.
Yeah. All
I
right.
do parties and all different events.
Love your hat.
Thanks very much. Lots of comments about this today. Got to get into the spirit.
Okay, diolch yn fawr. Cwmni am beth.
Diolch yn fawr.
I just stopped here to give you another look at this beautiful vista from here. This is looking west along the North Wales coast towards Conwy Bay and the Gogarth, which separates Conwy Bay from Llandudno. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.